Hello, I am Hurricane Guy Rowan. Today we're going to check the weather of I don't know. Where? Okay, our season begins. Our temperature hits activity controls. We get it. Gets unrealistic. Tropical storm Alberto hitting Orlando. Burial behind it. Their winds are strong. Almost category 1. Burial is hurricane now. Chris forms. This is 2018 hurricanes that had similar. Guys, just to let you know, that had similar names. Like Hurricane Gordon. Hurricane, you're not gonna believe it, Florence. Chris is major. Hitting the islands into the Gulf of Mexico. Ready to hit either southern Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Mississippi, Alabama, or Georgia, or Florida. It is category 5. Ready. It hits Mexico. Yeah, that's a hurricane. Tropical Depression 8 happens along the coast. Florence. Tropical Storm Florence is ready to hit again. Ready to hit again. Hi. Hitting Massachusetts state capital, Boston. Moving up into Canada in the Great Lakes. Florence becomes a tropical depression. Nothing else to say. The two hurricanes try to do the effect, but they do. One swallows the other. A giant category 3 is unleashed. Minor hurricane. Joyce again. Isaac again. Joyce hits the east coast. They all hit the east coast. Isaac, category 2, hitting the east coast. Trying to hit the Great Lakes in Michigan. Kirk. Why do they have all the 2018 names? Tropical Depression 15. Ready to hit the east coast. Which become... Are you serious? Oh yeah, Michael. Relax. Category 5 too. I'm not lying, he got category 5 on land. Oscar. Yeah, we did have we're not. We will have Oscar. Michael, category minor hurricane. Hits DC. New Orleans gets an effect like Hurricane Katrina. Okay, this is totally 2018 copies. Patty, what are you gonna be? Don't be Wilma or whatever. Just don't, please. Please don't be Wilma. Cause like, This is all 2018 names, people. Minor. Again, Raphael. What are you gonna be? Zeta, Wilma, U2. Nope, not a copy. Sarah. Along with 3. Oh no, Sarah. Minor Hurricane Raphael. Still a minor. Major Hurricane Raphael. Hitting Orlando. New Orleans getting an effect by tropical storm. It gets hit. It's Texas. Raphael hits. Sarah hits. The effect comes again with Sarah. Absorbing 25. 4. Absorbing Sarah. A giant major hurricane unleashed. Minor. Hits Mexico. There's a hurricane. Major Hurricane Tony. Hits same place. William. Beta. Alpha. And all tropical storms hit the coast.
I was the guy rolling, but he's not here. So we're trying to play this game.
Well, they hit the East Coast. When it hits Florida, tropical storm, tropical depression. Gamma hits New Orleans. Delta, like the Mississippi Delta.
Oh, sorry.
It's Louisiana. And come at them.
Look at that face. Like,
They come.
it was trying.
Beta and Alpha.
It was trying to kill me.
Really?
That was trying to kill me.
Then our season
Now it is
gets fall. No storms at all.
hungry.
No storms.
Those pizza. Be quiet.
And then
I'm watching.
the season is over.